As time goes by, I see Naya growing right in front of me. A little taller, a little wiser, and a little more curious about the world. And every day, I remind myself to play with her, to be present, to say yes when she asks me to join her little adventures. Because deep down, I know a day will come when she won't ask anymore. She'll be busy with school, sports, friends, and the whirlwind of becoming a teenager. Her world will get bigger, and I'll become just one part of it. Not the center of it like I am now. That's why these moments matter so much. The silly games, the random giggles, the quiet cuddles, the tiny memories that seem small today but will mean everything tomorrow. So I capture them, not just on my phone, but in my heart. One day, when I'm older and she's living her own life, we'll look back at these memories together. We'll remember how far we've come, what we've learned, and how much love filled these early years. These little moments, they're the ones that stay with us, and I'm holding into them while I still can. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.